Hello dear students, welcome to the class. This is the second video on distance and section formula. Okay, in yesterday's class or in previous class I had taught you till question number 3. Now let's see question number 4. Question says that the line joining P minus 4 comma 5 and Q 3 comma 2 intersects the y-axis at R. So it is like this. See, this is your graph. This is origin, this side is x-axis, this side is y-axis, this side is x negative and this side is y negative. Okay, so p minus 4 comma 5, this first value is the value of x and this second is the value of y. So x is minus 4, that means 1 2 3 and 4, and 5, y is plus 5 this side, 1 2 3 4 and 5 here. So this will be the point. This is rough drawing only. Okay, this is the point P minus 4 comma 5. Next Q is 3 comma 2. This is x and this is y. First value is the value of x. Okay, it comes in alphabetic order. X comes first. Okay, so x is 3, 1 2 3, and y is 2, 1 2. So it is here. This is Q 3 comma 2. The line joining this and this intersects y-axis at R. So the line joining these 2 points intersects y-axis. This is R. So coordinate of this is unknown. Okay. PM and QN are the perpendicular from P and Q on x-axis. So from P you have to drop a perpendicular on x-axis. So from here we have to drop a perpendicular. So this is M, PM, okay, and from Q perpendicular is dropped and this is N. Find the ratio PR is to QR. PR is to QR we have to find, okay, and the coordinate of R. And the coordinate of R we have to find, and next is area of triangle, area of quadrilateral QUARD, okay, quadrilateral PMNQ, PMNQ. We have to find the area of this figure. So this is a trapezium, okay. So its area can be calculated by using the formula half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into sum of parallel side means this side and this side. Here to here is 5 units plus, okay, another side here to here is 2 units, this value of y. So 2 into height means the distance from here to here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So half into 7, 5 plus 2 is 7 into 7. So 49 divided by 2, 49 divided by 2, it comes 24.5 square units. So area you can calculate like this, okay. For area, if you know the formula then it will be easy. Area is half into sum of parallel sides into height, okay. So this I'll do it later on. First let's solve the first part. Let solution, okay, let the coordinate of R is equals to, since R is on y-axis, you can assume this point as 0 comma y. Value of x is 0 on y-axis, okay, anywhere, point anywhere on this line, value of x will be 0. So 0 comma y, and the ratio this PR is to RQ is equals to M is to N. Let PR is M, here to here is M, and this side is N, okay. Let's use section formula. By section formula on, okay, on PQ. I'm using section formula for PQ, okay. in middle you have rx comma y is equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula, section formula. This formula I gave you in previous video. Okay, so r in place of x you have 0 comma y. Okay, 0 comma y is equals to a value of m is unknown. x2 means this is x2 y2 and this side is x1 y1. Okay, so x2 is 3 plus n is unknown, x1 is minus 4 divided by m plus n comma m as it is y2, value of y2 is 2. Okay, dot 2 plus n is unknown, y1 is 5, y1 is this. Okay, divided by m plus n. Let's simplify a little bit. R 0 comma y equals to 3 into m will be 3m plus minus 4m divided by m plus n comma this 2 into m will be 2m plus 5 into n 5n divided by m plus n. So in previous video I have taught you how to compare abscissa and abscissa, ordinate and ordinate. Okay, so let's compare this one. Abscissa means the value of x. Okay, this will be equals to this and this will be equals to this. And it is this part. Comparing abscissa. Okay, abscissa. Abscissa means value of x. Write it properly. Okay, so 0 is equals to 3m minus 4n divided by m plus n. So below this you have 1. Just cross multiply this into this will be 0 into m plus 1 will be 0. Okay, equals to 3m minus 4n. Now we need to find the ratio. First we need to find the ratio. Ratio means m is to n. Okay, let's take this side. 4n is equals to, when this minus 4n goes towards left hand side it becomes plus. Okay, 3m. So cross multiply this number one side, letters another side. Okay, 4 upon 3 will be equals to m upon n. This m, below this comes the n. Okay, therefore required ratio was PR is to RQ is equals to m is to n is equals to 4 is to 3. This is the answer for number 1. Find the ratio PR is to QR. Okay, next, coordinates of R we need to find. I'll note down this value. M is to n is 4 is to 3. Next is again comparing ordinate. Okay, comparing ordinates. Ordinates means the value of y. This y is equals to this part. Okay, so y is equals to 2m plus 5n upon m plus n. M is to n is equals to 4 is to 3. We have got this. Okay, so from here you can take m as 4 and n as 3. M is 4 and n is 3. So put this value out here. So y is equals to 2, m is 4 plus 5, n is 3 divided by 4 plus 3. So y is equals to 2 4s are 8 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 4 plus 3 is 7. Y is equals to 8 plus 15 will be how much? 10 plus 3 13 to 23 divided by 7. This is the value of y. Okay, therefore number 2 coordinates of r is equals to, we had taken coordinates of r as 0 comma y, 0 comma y. So this will be equals to 0 comma value of y is 23 upon 7. Okay. Next, number 3 is area of quadrilateral PMNQ. Area of quadrilateral QUAD. Okay, quadrilateral PMNQ. This is trapezium, TRAPAZIUM. This figure is trapezium. I had shown you the picture of this figure. It was like this. This side is X, this side is Y. PMNQ. Height of this here to here was 2. Height means the value of y. Okay, this q, this value is the height. So here to here it was 2, and here to here it was the value of y is 5. Okay, till p. So this is 5, and the distance from here to here to here, this is origin. Okay, so for p it is -4. Here to here is 1 2 3 4. This is 4. Here to here is 4, and this side it is 3. 1 2 3. So 4 plus 3 will be how much? 4 plus 3 is 7. So area of this will be half into sum of parallel sides, PARALLEL, parallel sides, into height. Okay, so half into parallel sides means PM sum means plus. Okay, PM is parallel to this QN, so PM plus QN into height means MN. Okay, MN. So half into PM is 5 plus QN is 2 into height is here to here. You can count the gaps. 1 2, here to here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Otherwise you can add the values of x also, this and this. You neglect the sign. Okay, 4 plus 3 it will be 7. So half into 5 plus 2 is 7 into 7. 7 is 49 upon 2. 49 by 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8.5. So 24.5 square units. Area means you will get in square units. Okay, centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, like that. So since it is not unit is not given, so let's write square units. Okay, so this is how you have to solve. Okay, now next question is, in the given figure below, this is the figure given to you. Okay, the line segment AB meets, line segment is AB, meets x-axis at A. It meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Y-axis at B. Okay, the point P on AB divides the lines it in the ratio 2:3. So P divides point P minus 3 comma 4. This is the point P. Okay, divides in the ratio 2:3. So this value is the first value and this is the second value. A is first, then B. Okay, so this will be 2, here to here will be 2, and this side will be 3. So value of M is 2 and value of N is 3. Find the coordinate of A and B. Coordinates of A and B we have to find. So let OORD of A is equals to, since A is on x-axis, you can assume it as x comma 0, because on x-axis value of y will be 0. Okay, and B is equals to, coordinate of B is on y-axis, so 0 comma y you can consider. Value of x on y-axis will be 0. Okay, now given coordinate of P, Px comma y is equals to minus 3 comma 4. This the middle point. Okay, is this. Next, ratio m is to n is equals to, ratio m is to n is 2:3. 2:3. Let's use the section formula. By section formula on AB. Okay, you are applying section formula on AB. So in middle you have P. So P x comma y is equals to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So this is the formula that I gave you earlier. So P in place of x comma y, this we have minus 3 comma 4. Okay, so minus 3 comma 4 is equals to value of m. From here m is 2 and n is 3. So value of m is 2, x2. x2 means the coordinate of this. This is x1, y1, and this side is x2, y2. Okay, so 2, x2 is 0. 2 dot 0, I'll write dot means into. Okay, plus n, value of n is 3, x1 is x, value of x1 is simply x. Okay, divided by 2 plus 3, m plus n is 2 plus 3, comma m is 2, y2 is y, plus n is 3, y1 is 0. Okay, divided by 2 plus 3. So from here let's simplify. P minus 3 comma 4 is equals to 2 dot 0, 2 into 0 is 0, plus 3 into x is 3x, divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 into 0 plus 3x will be 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 3x is 3x only. Okay, comma 2 into y is 2y, plus 3 into 0 is 0, so divided by 5. Now again you do the comparison. Okay, so let's comparing ICSE, ABS ICSE means the value of x, you write it. Okay, so minus 3 is equals to 3x upon 5. ICSE means this is compared with this. First is equals to first. Okay, first and first, do the comparison. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so here is 1, below this is again 1. Okay, so 1 into x is equals to 5 into 1 is minus 5. Here is minus sign. Okay, so x is minus 5. Similarly, comparing ORDINATS, ordinates, means the value of y. This compares with this. Okay, so 4 is equals to 2y upon 5. So you can cancel this 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Below this is 1, so 1 into y is equals to 2 into 5 is 2 5 is 10. Therefore, coordinate of A is equals to, okay, we had assumed x comma y, x comma 0. So value of x we have got minus 5 comma 0, and the coordinate of B we had assumed 0 comma y, 0, value of y is 10. So this is your answer. Okay, in this way we have to solve. Okay, now next question. This is of ICSE 2013. Okay, it is very important question, and the previous question which I solved, that was also very important. Again, that question was also of ICSE 2013. Okay, question says that AB is a diameter of circle with center C. So let's draw a circle. This is the circle with center C. It is given. Okay, coordinate of C is minus 2 comma 5. AB is diameter. Diameter means you can draw a line from here to here. You can consider this as A and this as B. If point A is 3 minus 7, A is 3 comma minus 7. 3 comma minus 7. Okay, find the length of radius AC. AC we need to find. So for that we can use distance formula directly. Okay, and the next question, coordinate of B we have to find. So number 1, given A, coordinate of A is 3 minus 7, and C is minus 2, 5. So by distance formula, AC, length of AC is given by this is distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Okay, now here you have to choose x1 y1 and x2 y2. For that you can take in alphabetic order. A comes first, then C. Okay, so this you can consider as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 means minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. From here x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 7. From here x2 is minus 2 and y2 is 5. If you split like this, okay, then it will be easier for you to put the values. So x2 is minus 2 and this is the sign, this formula. Okay, x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus, as it is, y1 is minus 7. So minus 7, I'll put this within that, and you have to put this square, okay, within root is also there. Minus 2 minus 3 gets added, it will be minus 5 square, remains as it is. Okay, plus 5 minus plus 7, 5 plus 7 will be 5, 10, 11, 12, 12 and square is there. Minus square is plus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, 5 square is 25 plus. Okay, so I was saying that minus square, minus plus is minus into minus is plus, 5 square is 25. Okay, and square of 12 is 12 into 12, it will be 144 within root. 25 plus 144 is 169, 169 the root. 169 means 13 square. Okay, root, this gets cancelled, so it is 13 units. So distance AC is 13 units. This is your answer for number 1. Next, number 2, we need to find the coordinates of B. Number 2, we need to find the coordinates of B. Okay, you have this line. A is given, B is unknown. B is unknown. Here in middle you have C. C is the center. Minus 2 comma 5. A is given how much? 3 comma 7. 3 comma minus 7. B is unknown. Okay. For this you can use midpoint formula. C is the center of circle, so this side will be equals to, this part will be equals to this. AC will be equals to CB, since it is the radius of circle. Here to here is radius and here is also radius of same circle. Okay, so ratio will be 1:1. So by midpoint formula, by midpoint formula on AC, okay, on AB, not AC, on AB, in center you have C. C x comma y is equals to midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula which I gave you in previous video. Okay, so in middle, in place of P we have C. So C x comma y, this is x and this is y. Okay, minus 2 comma 5. Coordinates of C, this is x and this is y, and A is, this is x1, this is y1, and B is question mark. You can take x2 y2, x2 comma y2. Okay, so let B is equals to x2 comma y2 equals to x1 is 3 plus x2 is unknown divided by 2 comma y1 is minus 7 plus y2 is unknown divided by 2. Again you can compare. In order to find x2 and y2, we have to compare abscissa with abscissa and ordinate with ordinate. Okay, comparing comparing abscissa, ABSICCA. Abscissa means value of x. Minus 2 is equals to 3 plus x2 divided by 2. 2 will multiply here. So 2 into 2 is minus 4 equals to 3 plus x2. Since minus sign is there, I have written minus as it is. Okay. So from here, this take this 3 that side. So minus 4 minus 3 will be equals to x2. From here, x2 will be equals to minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Again, comparing ordinates. Comparing the ordinates. Ordinates means the value of y. This part gets compared with this, y equals to y. Okay. So 5 is equals to minus 7 plus y2 divided by 2. Below this is 1, so 2 5s are 10 is equals to minus 7 plus y2. Take this 7 that side. So 10 minus, when this goes this side, it becomes plus. Okay. 7 is equals to y2. So 10 plus 7 is 17 is equals to y2. Therefore, coordinate of B is equals to x2 comma y2. We had assumed this x2 comma y2. Okay, and the value of x2 we have got minus 7 and value of y2 we have got 17. This is your answer. So this is very important question. Okay, you practice properly. Similar type of question you find in your book and you try to solve. Okay, remaining questions I'll teach you in another video. So this much for today's class. Thank you.